All right, kiddos, or scientists, here we are in Discovery Education. You are going to click on the assignment questioning climate change. All right, and here we are in our new unit, Causes of Climate Change. And remember, we're starting on the Engage page. And when we're on the Engage page, we are focusing on seeing what you already know about climate change and maybe generating some questions that you might have about it. The expectation is not that you know how to answer these questions yet. So don't feel bad if you don't know the answers. Just think about what you do know and write about that. So the first question, it says, can you explain why don't Earth's natural processes account for the observed global climate change that we're seeing? How can we determine what causes the change? Okay, so do your best to answer that question in this box right here and hit submit. Questioning climate change. Go ahead and read this paragraph. This graph should look familiar to you. We looked at it in class last time. Read this paragraph. Watch this video that says Predicting Climate Change. Keep reading. I would highly recommend watching these two videos. They're going to give you some really good background information. And then when you get down here, these are the activities I need you to complete at the bottom of the page to meet your learning target. So what causes climate change? What kind of events directly cause Earth's climate to change? Select all of these things that you think might cause climate on Earth to change. What causes seasons? We talked about that in the last unit. See what you remember about what causes seasons on Earth. Pick the one you think is correct. How does Earth orbit? So which of these statements about how Earth orbits around the sun are true? Pick which ones you think are true. And then this activity asks you to classify each item from the pairs from daily activities that you might do. A lot of us do these things as having a greater, smaller, or about the same net contribution to climate change. So like if you ride your bike to school, are you making climate change worse? So you'd say greater. Are you helping make climate change, solve the issue of climate change? That'd be smaller. And if you think riding your bike to school doesn't really have an impact on climate change one way or another, you would put that here. So do that for each of these things. When you're done, hit submit. All right, and that's all you need to do for this unit. Just make sure you head back into Discovery Ed and reflect on, or into your digital science notebook and reflect on your learning target. Okay, let me know if you have questions.